Okay, now we have corrections for the class test differentiation 1. Differentiate this. Simple enough. You differentiate y with respect to x. Every term just differentiate. 7 times 3 is 21. X reduced power is 6. 4/3 times negative 6 gives you negative 8x. 4/3 minus 1 gives you 1/3. Like this. Alright? Okay, 7x squared. Okay, this can be written as 7x to the power of negative 2. So in this case, negative 2 times 7 gives you negative 14x. Minus 2 minus 1 reduced by 1 gives you negative 3. This can be represented as negative 10x to the power of half. So half times negative 10 gives you negative 5x to the power of half minus 1 is negative half. 5, you differentiate, you get nothing, which is 0. Express everything in positive index form. Minus 14 over x cubed minus 5 over x to the power of half. And you are done with question 1. Okay, we quickly move on to question 2. Many of you thought that this was a product rule. On the contrary, it's not. It's simply chain rule. Okay, because this is not root x or root 3x. It's just simply root 3. It's a number in front. So what I do is you take the 5, you bring down the power, 5 root 3. You get x to the power of 4 minus 2x. You reduce the power. 5 minus 1 gives you 4. Then don't forget, piece of chain rule, you have to differentiate the what's inside the bracket. You get 4x cubed minus 2, and you are actually done with the question. If you want to rearrange, some of you want to go and multiply a number in, fine by me. You can get 20 root 3 x cubed minus 10 root 3, then x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 4. If you left it this step also, I will accept fully. Alright, now question 3. Question 3, okay, there's x, and here the difference between question 2 and question 3 is, notice that this is also a term in x. So in this case, we actually have to apply the product rule. So u is x squared. Differentiating u with respect to x gives me 3x squared. V is x minus 1 to the power of 4. Differentiating v with respect to x is 4x minus 1 cubed. You differentiate inside the bracket, you will get a 1 anyway, so it's okay. So product rule, v du dx, okay, du dx is 3x squared plus u dv dx. Alright, now if you had simplified from here, okay, if you want, okay, we can simplify just a bit more. You can actually factorize x minus 1 to the power of 3. So if I factorize x minus 1 to the power of 3, I'm left with 3x squared x minus 1 plus 4x cubed. And if you expand everything in the brackets, you should be left with 7x cubed minus 3x squared. And you're done with question 3. Okay, moving on to question 4. Some of you actually attempted to use the quotient rule. I will not fault you there, but I will prefer to use the product rule. So u is x squared, du dx is 2x. V is, okay, this one we can write it as x squared times x plus 1 to the power of negative half. U times v, okay? So v is x plus 1 to the power of negative half. Differentiating v with respect to x, you get negative half x plus 1 to the power of negative 3 over 2. You get negative 1 over 2 x plus 1 positive 3 over 2, like this here. Then we will apply the product rule once again, which is v, okay, 1 over x plus 1 to the power of half times du dx, which is 2x, plus u x squared times dv dx, okay, which is down here like this. Then simplifying, you get 2x over square root of x plus 1 minus x squared or times 2. x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. If you leave it like that, I give you full marks. But in the event that you want to combine these two fractions, no problem. This x plus 1 to the power of half, you have to multiply by 2 times x plus 1. So you can multiply this times 2 x plus 1, 2 x plus 1 minus x squared 2 x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. What I get is 4x x plus 1 over 2 x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, let me shift the paper up a bit. Minus x squared 2 x plus 1 3 over 2. Notice I've achieved the same denominator already. 4x squared minus x squared is 3x squared plus 4x over 2x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. And you are done with question 4. And thank you for watching.